Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be working in my box challenge binder. All of this money goes towards my future business expenses for next month. I have $125 here today. This box challenge is from Sasha. I will link her Kofi shop below so you can go grab it. And let's get started. So this has 7 sections. So let me find my D8 so that we can roll a D8. I know you know that I've been sick if you've been following my channel. And honestly, I'm doing okay, but I am struggling to breathe so much. I have so much congestion, I think, in my chest area. And as it is, I already have asthma, and so that already makes it hard. So on top of that, wait, this is a D10. There's my D8. Okay, D8. So on top of my asthma that I have anyways, I have so much congestion in my chest that sometimes if I talk too much, I get winded and it takes me a minute to catch my breath. So I was supposed to go to a race today with Vicky, but because I'm having such a hard time just breathing without doing any activity, I knew I was going to be toast if I tried to go. Wait, why am I rolling a D8? This has cards. This is how we're supposed to do it. Okay, so we just shuffle the cards. I don't need to roll anything. Sorry, you guys. It's my first time playing this box challenge, obviously. So yeah, since I'm getting winded just at rest, I was like, I'm going to be absolutely passed out if I try to run, let alone walk fast. So I had to bail on her, which I felt really bad because I was excited to see her and I had a little present for her, and so I'll just ship it out to her, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm hoping that this congestion clears up because it's just, I've been really struggling. All right, so we are searching and saving. So we're gonna go find the rose. I think I just cut this out this morning, so I knew exactly where that would be. Okay, so Sasha did say that this box challenge is pretty spicy, which honestly is fine because I bring $125 every Saturday, so it's okay that it's spicy. All right, so let's do, so we got this one. Oops, that is smearing. And then let's do an extra, let's just do 5 and 6. And we'll be done with this one. Okay, let's draw another card. So this is probably going to go fast. Oh, another rose. Oh my gosh. Let me shuffle these better, actually. Hold on. There we go. The sun. Let's go find the sun. So I was thinking that on the last day of this box challenge, you guys can tell me which of these tattoos I should get. Obviously, I'm gonna tell you which ones I'm okay getting, but you can pick of the ones that I'd be okay getting. You can pick which one I should get. And if the video gets let's say 5,000 views and 100 likes, then I will get it, or a version of it. So if it's the owl, I would get probably a version that goes with my style of tattoos that I already have. I have 3 tattoos. So the first one that I got is on my right shoulder, the back of it. And it's like a mountain with a wave coming crashing into it. And it's for my parents who passed away. They both had cancer. So a few years after my dad passed, I was like, I already knew after my mom passed that I wanted to get something, to remember her by, like some sort of tattoo, but I hadn't decided yet on what I wanted. And it was my first one, so I was very indecisive. I kept going back and forth. And then when my dad passed away, same thing, like it took me a couple years really to settle on what exactly I wanted. So I finally ended up with what I have, which is based on Psalm 46. And it talks about, like, even when everything is falling apart, basically God is our refuge. And so that's what I ended up with for them. And all of my tattoos are very significant. So come back next week and I will tell you about the tattoo that I have right here. 1, 2, 3. So I do like this butterfly. I would be cool getting a butterfly. I think that would be nice. So that might be one of our options of whatever tattoo I'm gonna get if we get the video to those stats. And I think it would be fun because YouTube and this budgeting community has meant so much to me. So I think it'd be fun. I don't know. It's kind of silly. It's kind of crazy, but like I'm low-key okay with doing crazy things as long as they're not harmful to me or other people. Okay, I got 6. I need $1 more, so I need to make some change. I just made some change with this money that has to go back to the bank. All right, 20, and then 5, 6, and then I need 1 more for that. There we go. Okay. Next card is this little symbol. Is that like a tribal symbol? I'm not really sure. I know what that is. Okay, where is that one? Oh, there it is. Section 3. All right, 25, 26. So we have 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. $26. So do you guys have any tattoos? Or have you thought about getting tattoos? And if so, what do you have? What do they mean to you? Or if you're contemplating, what are you thinking about getting? If it would be your first tattoo. I remember thinking my first tattoo, I was like so nervous, but honestly, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Or maybe I just have a high pain tolerance. I'm not sure, but oh, here's the bat. Okay. So 5, 10, 11. I'm doing good with my business expenses too. I just pulled out the expenses that I spent this week, and I still have, did I mark it on my tracker? No, I didn't, but I still have all of this. So probably close to $200 or over probably actually close to $300. So I'm very happy with that. We're doing great with our business expenses this month. Like I said, I think last month was just very expensive because I had to replenish everything that I had used for creating my boo box and all of that. Oh, here we have another rose. Okay. I honestly don't think that I would ever get a rose. I like roses. I like receiving them, but I just don't like them enough to put one on my body. Unless I had a kid whose birth month flower was a rose, because this is Arya's birth month flower, and I'll go into that more. I'll go into this story more next video, but because this was my second tattoo that I ever got. So I talked about my first one this week, the first video that we did this box. I'll talk about this one next week and my third one on the 3rd week. And then on the 4th week, hopefully we'll be done with this challenge. If not, we'll see, but on the 4th week, we can talk about which new tattoo I'm going to get. But it's not going to be a rose, because if I ever have a kid again whose birth month flower is the rose, then I would want to do that and add it somewhere here. So, okay, so this one is 9 and 14. So we can take 5 and 6 back and put this 20 in. Okay, so we did this. And honestly, I am not mad that these are high numbers. It is nice to have a video that's not quite so long. So I'm glad it's not taking us forever to get through this. That is nice. Okay, let's see. We'll probably get an IOU, but that's okay. So we have the scorpion. Where's the scorpion? I would be okay getting a sun too, by the way. I also like, I would want to look at the symbolism of everything, because all my tattoos, like I said, are very significant. Like they carry a lot of meaning for me. And so I would want to look at the symbolism of everything, but depending on what the meanings are, I would be okay getting a bird. This would be like, you know, a sick tattoo for sure. Not this actual representation, but if I got a scorpion tattoo, that would be sick, and I would feel like a baddie, you know? But oh my gosh. Okay, so that's $20. So let's just do the 6 actually. Yeah, let's do 6 for this scorpion card. We won't finish it out, but we will have started it. And we'll just put this back in our pile for later. And then we have $2 here. Let's just roll this over to next week. So I'll just leave these up front because I don't think there's going to be anything with just $2, and I would love to avoid an IOU. That would be great. Okay, so we have $5 and $6 going in this one. And I would be okay with a scorpion tattoo. Depending on, like, I'm going to decide where the placement is for it, because, you know, I wouldn't want it necessarily, I don't know. We'll see. A butterfly I would be okay with. We saved 25, 6, 7, 8, 9 with section 2. Bat, no. This, also no. I don't want either of those. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 37 with section 3. Section 4 we didn't get to this time, but maybe next time. So we have 10, 15, and 16 with section 5. I would be okay with a sun, depending on the meaning of it. But yeah, a sun would be cute. A little sunshine. Because YouTube has been such a bright spot in my life, I feel like that would be a good symbol to represent that, actually. So I think the symbolism that I want is like what YouTube and this community has meant for me. So like friendship, or like growth, or development, or I don't know, community. So something like that. We didn't get anything for section 6 and 15. We got 20, 35 for section 7. We got 2 of the roses done. Wow. Okay, and then we have these cards going back in here for next week. And these cards are all the ones that we finished today. Yay! So fun. So I'm going to get rid of these since we're done with those. Those will be for next week. We made some great progress so far. So come back next week for week 2 of this box challenge. Again, this is by Sasha, who is one of my viewers. I will link her Kofi store down below. She has this and several other challenges in her shop, so you can go check it out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.